Hi guys, Tyrone here from Forest and Anchor. In today's vlog, we'll be heading out to one of the shopping centres, going to check out a few of the pop culture stores. Kids love looking through all that stuff. We've also got Target, they've got a bit of a Disney section there, so we'll check that out. And then we're going to head off to a birthday dinner for Amy at one of our favourite spots in Glen Waverley. It's a Korean BBQ, one of the best in Melbourne. So we'll take you through the ride for that, and then we'll head back here, and I'll show you through the camera, and then a little bit of a tour behind the bar, where we do a few of our videos. And yeah, just come along for the ride. Let's go. As we head out this morning, it is currently 10 degrees. It was raining all morning. Now the sun is starting to poke out. But with it still being cold, people still love heading to the shopping centres. The sun was starting to crack through the skies. Hopefully it starts to warm up a bit. Now I did manage to put this camera into hyperlapse mode, which I stupidly left it in for most of the shopping centre. So we'll probably just skip through most of these clips really quick. Whoa, Disney Outlet Target. What have they got? Stitch? Just mainly Stitch. You want to get this?
Yeah.
What is it?
The squishmallow thing that you have to get.
I don't know. What cool this is. Huh?
Even Squid Game.
Squid Game?
Yeah.
Up there, yeah. It's cool.
What are these girl handbags? Finally, these big ones. Are these girl handbags?
Yeah, those are girl bags.
Bro.
Yeah. You want one?
I want the Squid Game.
Maybe one of these low ones.
No, I want the Squid Game one, or this one, or this one, or this one,
Yeah.
or this one.
Where's Stitch one?
Or this one.
Is that one Poe?
Mr. Pim's noodles.
That's the girl wallet. The hats. It's cool.
Pim's noodles. Mr. Pim's noodles.
What else they got? Stranger Things. It's cool. Look, King Homer up there. It's cool. You get him. How cool is this? It's like a villain's perfume, but it's the poison apple. It's pretty cool. $30. String lights. Wow, that's cool. Look at that. Not very long though. It's cool. Picked up the goods. Shops are way too mayhem to be filming in here. So we'll just quickly go through the shopping centre while we look for dishwashers and kids pushing and kicking each other. Alright, back in the car after going to Eastland. Didn't really film much in there because it's a rainy day in Melbourne and everyone loves to go to the shopping centre. So it's well over capacity. Way too many people. And if I just whip out an Osmo Pocket in the middle of a shopping centre, people are going to start staring at me. Even though we shouldn't care because we're going to go to, other places. It's a bit different when you're on vacation compared to everyday life. But we got this guy. And all the kids are now hungry. She's hungry too. On our way to Korean BBQ. Shopping centre was a nightmare. Seems to be everyone's favourite hangout spot. So now we're going to go to Korean BBQ. bit of a walk because they've got some construction going on with the railway. So now I'm going to walk all the way up to the main road and then all the way around. Suburban rail loop.
Is that barbecue K?
Yeah, that's at Barbecue K.
Hey.
That's where we normally park though. But you can kind of park there still. You get in there. I don't know. And Barbecue K level 3. Where we're going. How many though?
I'm trying to get one.
Wait. Which one?
I want.
The owl again?
Let's get it for
Is that good there? Who's taking side
We
view?
always get the dog.
Forward.
We always get the dog.
That's backwards. Yep. Alright, let's load it in. Oh, he got it. Ah! Oh, and you missed it.
Okay, I want one turn as well.
Is that my name? Yeah. All right, what do we normally get? Normally, what's the set? Wagyu set. Get the Wagyu set.
My fault.
Get the Wagyu Scotch fillet, the Wagyu porterhouse, the Wagyu flap meat. And then we normally get corn cheese, 2 rice, whole mixture of stuff. Then, what do we get next? Kimchi pancake, yeah, the kimchi pancake.
And then
Kids like the dumplings. Get some pork dumplings. Some KFC. Korean fried chicken. Honey mustard sauce. All right, it's 5:12. I'm going to put this entry in, and let's see how quick it takes him to come. Order now. 2 minutes later, I've already got food.
thank you.
When you open that stuff, I felt.
Yes,
Here it
thank
comes.
you.
Charcoal. Awesome.
Charcoal.
Charcoal chicken.
So yeah, 2 minutes to get our food out. That's pretty good. Well, not all our food, all our utensils and stuff. Got our rice, got our sauces, salts, got our pickled onions, got some kimchi, got the beers,
Soju.
soju, yeah.
What was the game that you play with this?
You got to,
Take off the
yeah, you got to flick that little thing on top of it.
So you take off the top, and you got to twist this.
And you pretty much just got to like flick it. Then we take turns flicking it until it launches across the restaurant and hits someone in the eye. That's when the winner. That's how you get a winner.
Okay, so then
Bang. So then it's my turn. Oh, Seth's flinching already. Alright. Charcoal cooked Wagyu beef.
Do you have a bit of onion? Stick there.
So buttery. The goodness. That was good. That was good, not too much. But we have demolished it all. Kids hoed right into
Almost
it.
all of it.
Yeah, pretty much. Yep, it's all gone. In and out in pretty much half an hour. That's how quick it is. Pretty much. And then we might get some dessert after. Alright, that was a quick dinner. Now we are out, ready for
Dessert.
dessert.
Cheesecake on a stick.
Donuts that float.
Anything on a stick is delicious.
Yeah, allegedly. Alright, Sunday night. Original dessert honey balls. Like donuts.
My God.
Like a
In about.
So it's a bit of a different video this week. But a bit of mayhem going on, kids getting sick. We do have the Disney store on Tuesday, pop-up store. Go check that out. We also managed to book the that light train. Had like 7,000 people
In the queue.
in the queue just to try and get tickets. So we managed to get tickets. So 7th of July we're doing that.
I was logged on two different screens. One I was in the queue like 1,500 and then the other was 7,000. So we got tickets just.
So that's exciting. And yeah, at the end of this, I'll get a little bit of video unboxing on Toaster. You'll probably see it on this video. Yeah, we'll be back next week, stronger
Healthier.
and ready to crush. Well, I'll catch you at home.
Alright, back from the shops. We have our latest team member. Be good to get this set up and not have to use that iPhone. And also the backpack strap. The Osmo attachment for that as well. To get another one of those. And then we don't have to hold them. We can just have them strapped on. Good for water slides, good for all sorts of stuff. Wet.
Alright, I thought I'd do this unboxing now. Just because I want to open it. And I want to film the rest of this tomorrow. And then get this video out to you guys. But this is the new team member. There you are. And open her up. Camera. Got a little selfie stick. Which does, oh, it's got a pretty good grip to it as well. That's cool.
Feels nice. I don't know if you can see that. A rubbery grip on that. Pull it off. Today's video is sponsored by Stitch. In cinemas now, everywhere. Not really, but it was a good movie. Then, your little tripod just screws on there. Awesome. Perfect. And that extends out like 1.5 meters. It's a pretty good pole. So, got that. Also, in the box, we have this side. Comes with a cable. Also, just one of the highlights of getting this is this little charging case. It has like 3 batteries in it. It's crazy. 3 batteries. It's awesome. It comes with that. Also a bunch of stickers, instruction manuals. Then the main unit here. Just want this video to be pretty quick. I don't want to drag it on. Some silica packets. Everyone loves them. The main device there. Sort that out later. It's kind of like a hard shell protection case. I suppose if you drop it, it's pretty good. 2 little prongs, adhesive, and then it's another one of those little gimbal things. Yeah, you got that. And then we got the main camera, main device. Waterproof housing, up to 20 meters. Pretty good. Just so you guys get an idea of what it looks like. And here it is. All assembled. Looks awesome. It's gonna be a great camera to the team. Turn that on. So yeah, I was gonna do a bit of an extra segment adding on all the stuff we're kind of added here, but this video's already getting too long. So if you'd like to give us a like, hit that subscribe button down below, really help us out. We're going to be heading to the Disney store tomorrow, so there'll be more content for Disney coming next weekend. So until then, we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. It's like chasing the kids and stomping on the back of their feet.
Stop.
Make your dance, boy. Come on now. Here we go, Billy. We'll get those new sneakers and we'll wear them in good.